you tips based on the 5 love languages. We have Mr. Joey Rafael and Miss Rosemary Rafael, President of Aerospace International. Welcome back!
Welcome back po.
Thank you.
Enjoy kami dito.
Part 2.
Yes.
Actually, part 2.
Ganda nung pinag-usapan natin last time. Sobrang bitin ako doon. So, it's so nice to have you back.
Thank you,
Kasi, tuloy mo natin yun.
Oo, kailangan siguro mas bigyan pa natin, magbibigay tayo ng example doon sa 5 love of languages.
Yeah. Well,
Okay.
well, just to review, di ba, yung sinabi natin, yung affirmation, 5 love languages are affirmation, which are words of affirmation. Number 2 is quality time.
Quality
Number
time.
3 is acts of service. Number 4 is gift, receiving gifts. And number 5 is
Physical touch.
Yeah.
Physical
Yeah.
touch.
Siguro dapat magbigay tayo ng mga example.
Example. Sige, start po natin dun sa words of affirmation.
Affirmation.
Words of affirmation is simply expressing your love and your affection and your passion for someone through words, either spoken word or written word. Like I said earlier, we have so many ways to communicate.
Oo nga,
Yes, unfortunately, there so many ways to communicate, and yet people miscommunicate.
Okay, yan, no?
Diba? So again, like I said, yung words natin, they can build or they can destroy.
Sorry, that's
They
very
can show love or they can show hatred. They can encourage or they can discourage. So
Meron
it's a
akong
matter of
kwento dyan.
using. It's a matter of how you use your words, knowing how to use your words.
Meron
Ano
akong
po
kwento
yung
dyan.
kwento?
Anong
Kasi,
kwento po?
alam mo, si Joey, ano yan kailangan i-draw out mo yan. Diba? Kasi very quiet, kita mo very conservative. Ako siguro
Still
mas
waters
maingay,
run
ganyan. Pero siya talaga kailangan i-draw out mo. So, kailangan talagang pag magkukwento, di ba yung mga lalaki laging, how was your day? It's good.
Okay.
No. How was
Hindi
your day?
detalyado.
How's your
Hindi
day?
katulad ng mga babae. Pag tinanong mo, detalyado yan.
I go the extra mile. Which tells me, how was your day? I say, very, very good.
Dinagdagan mo
Kasi kwento nyo.
Yun lang.
Tapos na. So, but I learned through the years na kailangan sasabihin ko, okay, Joey, my day, ako muna. My day was like this, it was very good because, I met this, that. Tapos, sa ikaw, anong ginawa mo? O sige, nung umaga, para ma-draw out mo siya. Kasi ang mga lalaki tsaka babae, parang, they're all different.
Hindi mo ba kayo parang, syempre, kunyari, si ma'am, ang daming sinasabi, detalyado, ganyan. Tapos kayo nakikinig lang. Hindi ba parang
Ito na
irritating?
naman.
Or ano ba yan?
Exciting naman ako, Luella. Hindi naman ako boring.
but-
Exciting.
On the other
Kasi
hand,
meron mga ganun lalaki. Parang,
tama.
hindi
Yeah,
interesado.
Hindi makarelate kasi
O parang
iba din yung
ex-husband ko
gusto
ganun.
nila,
Hindi
no?
interesado. Dala ako ng dalda. Pero wala siyang, hindi siya
Labas sa
nakikinig.
kabilang.
well, that's another thing about that love language is you also, in quality time is you also have to learn how to listen. Because communication is two-way, di ba? It's sharing or talking, and the other one is listening.
Listening.
That's why
Yes,
for
that's
me,
very true.
I express my love to Ut by listening attentively. In other words, binababa mo yung cellphone mo, binababa mo yung laptop mo, pinapatay mo yung TV and say, okay, honey, let's talk.
Hindi, kasi minsan, di ba mga lalaki, kakausapin mo pero nanonood sila ng TV.
Ayun, o nagbabasa ng
Lalo kung
periodiko.
may basketball.
Alam mo,
Ayun.
when we got married, kasi ay yung family niya, mahilig magbasa ng dyaryo. Sa
Dyaryo
breakfast
pa noon.
table, babasahan ka ng dyaryo. Alam mo ginawa ko, kinancel ko yung subscription namin ng dyaryo. Di ba?
Maparaan.
Ano po masasabi niyo sa ano po masasabi niyo doon sa mag-asawa ko? Halimbawa, ako, kinukwento ko kung ano yung nangyari, tapos yung hindi naman attentive yung kapartner ko. Parang yung ba, parang hindi niya masyadong mahal o love yung asawa niya. Kasi parang,
Well,
hindi naman siya interesado.
to a certain extent, that's what what you're saying. Your body language is, I don't value what you say. I'm not paying attention. So in effect, you're not affirming. You're not showing your love for your partner, whoever. Even children, when they're talking to you, you pay attention. Kung hindi, you know what's gonna happen? You're gonna stop talking to him. Kasi hindi naman siya
Parang
nagre-respond.
pader lang yung
Or yeah,
kausap mo.
parang
Correct.
so mangyari, eventually you will learn na, you know what, I'm not gonna talk to him because he doesn't listen to me anyway. So then there's the gap that develops. And before you know it, you're not talking anymore.
Doon nag-uumpisa
Kasi
yun.
di ba
tapos
pwedeng
may gap.
simple lang naman? Like, may mga kalala ko mga couples, yung mahilig sila yung sa mga notes.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
yung
that's
mga,
great.
Mari may
Yeah.
baon, paglabas ng baon,
Right.
I love you, hon.
Yeah.
Yung mga ganong notes.
Sweet naman, no?
Eh, kaso ang mahirap hindi na-appreciate minsan ng lalaki
Ayun.
yun.
Or a
Diba,
simple
gagawan mo
text.
ng sandwich, tapos
Well, which is why you have to understand na the love language of your partner. See, like ako, ang love language ko is words of affirmation. So, affirms me, talks to me, tells me, oh, good job, honey, or you did well here. So, na-encourage ako. So, that's how she's expressing her love. Because she knows that my love language is words of affirmation.
Kasi ang mga lalaki din, gusto nila normally yung words of affirmation.
Yeah.
Na, oh, you did
They
a
want to
great
be honored,
job.
they
or
want to be
ano.
respected.
Yan ang gusto nila,
Yan.
respect.
Oo.
Yan.
Nagtalo na ba kayo minsan?
Madaming beses.
Oo.
Like,
Dami.
Madaming beses.
Okay, one
paano
time.
nyo inaamo si Mrs.?
Sige.
Ako? I give in.
Kasi kung gusto mo ng happy life,
I know I cannot win an argument.
Gusto mo ng happy life, dapat happy wife.
I raise the red flag. No, let's put it this way. For me, I've always learned that it's better to have peace than to be right, than to win an argument. You want to win an argument, pero after winning the argument, I
Nagkaroon
won
ng
the
strife.
argument. Pero hindi naman kayo, tatlong linggo kayo hindi mag-uusap. So, what's the point of winning the argument, di ba?
you know, there was one time, and through the years, no, we were traveling. Ako at saka yung dalawang anak namin, nandun na. Sa Amerika. No, nandun kami. Tapos sila sumunod. Tapos, kasama niya yung dalawang anak namin. And then, after 3 days, I asked him, oh, Joey, can you give me the passports? Kasi I can keep it. Kasi we're going to do a land trip, no? Yung... Tapos, biglang namula.
Hindi namula, namuti.
Nam-
Parang blood
Ano
left
nangyari sa
my face.
passport?
Naiwanan niya sa
I realized I left it on the trolley cart in the LAX airport.
Naiwanan niya sa airport. So,
ano nangyari?
so ine-expect niya nang sigurong, anong ginawa mo? Bakit ka ganyan? Pero alam mo, talagang,
I was expecting the worst.
oo, alam mo, I don't,
I thought that was
you
my
know,
last day on earth.
You know what I said? I just said, okay. I just don't know what came about, but I just said, okay, so let's call up immigration, let's call up Homeland Security,
Do
let's
what we
call
need to
and hindi ko siya sinigwa. Sinasabi ko na nga ba sa'yo? Di ba? Normally, parang yan ang tendency. But
Normal reaction.
I didn't
Yeah.
say anything, and we just called, and di nila mahanap. And then, you know, that night, I dreamt. And I dreamt it was in the counter of the airline that we took. And then I called up the airline, and lo and
Lo and
behold,
behold.
nandoon talaga ang
May
passport.
may nag-surrender, may nagbigay.
Yes.
Okay.
So sabi niya, kita mo, kasi hindi mo ko sinigawan eh, hindi mo ko sinisi eh. Kaya yung antena mo sa Panginoon, biglang ang lakas. Kita mo, nalaman mo. Pero, you know, sometimes you have choices eh. We
Yeah.
all have
Totoo yan.
choices.
Yes.
Even loving Him is a choice.
Yes.
Building
Sometimes, you know, I can't say, I love Him every day. There are times we're in, di ba, naiinis ka, ito talaga din, ganyan. But it's a decision that we make
Okay.
to love
yan.
or not to love.
Right.
So, lalo na pag matagal na kayo mag-asawa, di ba?
30 years, di ba? Do you still date?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Take vacations.
We travel
Yeah.
just the two of us.
Yeah.
Sometimes you really have to find time. That's quality
That's
time.
quality time naman. You know?
Ayun, quality time. Ano nga?
Quality time is basically purposing or making sure, like say, you organize your time in such a way that you can spend time with your wife or with your children, whoever you want to spend time with, because let's face it, we're also busy. Diba?
May effort talaga eh,
Yeah, you
to
really
set
have to
aside.
you really have to schedule. You plan. Si Ut, she likes to plan vacation. So you know it's great. So we plan vacation. So we take off for a week or 2 weeks. We're together. Kami dalawa lang. You know. Sa airplane pa lang. That's already a, how do I say it? It's already a fertile ground for arguments and and kainisan and all of that. But you know, we just have a good time, and we purpose to just spend time together.
May mga rules
You know.
po ba kayo dyan? Like, kasi ngayon, di ba, ang hirap. Lalo yung mga phones na, yung laging,
yes.
kahit quality time po, no?
Yes,
Pero
yes.
nakatingin naman din sa
Yeah,
phone.
alam mo, ang tawag namin doon, phone pile. So pagkakain na
The
kami,
kids especially, yeah.
lahat ng phone nakapile sa isang tabi.
Okay yun. Oo, at least.
Phone pile,
Yeah.
tapos pag tumingin, oops, sandali, merong penalty, parang ganyan na,
good,
parang
oo.
naging game, pero itabi mo na lang. Kasi pag nasa iyo, tendency mo talaga tumingin. But that's just like, let's say, an hour
Yeah.
of, you know, really focusing on one another.
That's good.
And, di ba? And then, set it aside and all.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
Meron lang akong gusto ulit balikan. Yung kanina kasi di ba tinanong ko sa inyo kung nagde-date pa rin kayo and then you said yes. Kaya yung mga kalalakihan dyan, kahit po gaano katagal ang pagsasama nyo ng
Yes.
inyong misis, huwag nyo pong kalilimutan na bigyan sila ng panahon din para
Totoo
sa inyong
yan.
dalawa.
Yes, yes.
Dahil laging sinasabi nila, kasama andyan ang mga bata o asawa ko na yan, hindi po ganon. Dapat meron din kayong quality time, yung bonding sa
Exact.
mag-asawa.
Sa
Dahil
mag-asawa.
eventually, iiwan din kayo ng mga anak. kayo pa rin ang maiiwang
Yes.
dalawa.
Yes,
Totoo yan.
Yes.
Oo.
Ako naman, for my part, like si Ut is she's a very busy person. She's a multitasker. So, you
Women
know,
are.
yeah, well, in your case, you're a multitasker.
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 Ganun karami.
and so
Multitasker.
she has to find in her busy schedule time for me. O minsan ako naman ang nagkaklamor, hello, time out muna. Can I have some quality time? You know, parang ganyan, or the kids. Or so siya naman, she's very good at that. She realizes that, and she gives priority. So in the midst of all the hectic schedules, the meetings, and the phone calls, and all the work, the businesses she's handling, she always has a chunk of time or a period of time where she will just focus on the family, on me, and stuff like that. So the love tank is being filled again. Diba?
Kasi ano yun you have to know what matters
Priorities,
most.
yeah.
Diba?
That's
What
true.
matters most,
Yeah.
diba, in your life.
Yeah.
And then at the same time, it doesn't have to be like going out, like lunch or dinner. But sometimes we walk together in the morning. Halika na, walk
Yeah.
na tayo. And
Hobby,
that's
minsan kasi
walking.
quality time.
Parang
diba?
ginagawa niyo rin naman yung mga kabisihan niyo for the kids.
Right.
Minsan, di ba?
Yeah.
Parang nakakalimutan lang na yung kids talaga yung
Yes.
ano.
Well, in that, it's a matter of prioritize. So, let's say in the work day, 8 to 6 or 7, whatever, how long you work, focus sa business. But when you come home, then time naman for the kids. Parang, so it's that's the only time you'll see them until they go to bed. So then after they go to bed, then you can go back to your emails and to your whatever.
That's true.
But it's really a matter of prioritize.
Yeah.
Gusto ko malaman, paano nyo?
Well, let's
Pinaghuhugutan.
Okay, game.
Ligawan si Rosemary.
paano ko naligawan? Naku.
Okay.
30 years ago.
Keep persistent.
Let me.
Hindi, friends kami. Friends kami
lang.
nag-umpisa.
Yeah, we were together. She was.
Meron siyang girlfriend na iba. Ako rin may girlfriend na iba.
Ayun na.
Okay.
She was coming to the office. She was in sales. So she was selling her services. Yung mga
sasabihin na naman niya.
mga
Siya daw ang-
forwarding.
ano po?
She was in the forwarding business. So I was in the export business, and so she was selling her services. So yun. So we became friends. We started having lunch together, and before you know it, one thing led to another, as they say.
Okay.
Yeah. So yun. Tapos sinagot ko na siya.
Okay, tamo. Sabi ko sa'yo.
Okay. Yun ang twist na natin.
Nakita niyo siya. Ano ba talaga?
Of course.
First sight.
Hindi naman love at first sight. But of course,
girlfriend?
there was,
Pero na-feel mo
but there
na-
was an attraction. Of course, it's an attraction. There's a
Kahit may girlfriend ka that
yeah,
time.
there's an
tapos
attraction, and there's yeah, you know. So you want to know somebody that there's a curiosity. There's a you
May
know.
X factor.
Yes. Yeah.
But we were friends in the
Yes.
beginning.
Sinagot mo
that
siya
was
agad?
good. Oh, sinagot niya
Sinagot
ako.
niya. Baliktad nga
Sabi
daw
niya.
eh.
Yan ang sabi niya. Yan ang version niya.
So,
Yan ang version niya.
ilang months ang courtship?
We were friends for a year or
Yeah,
two.
yeah, and then,
Tapos, sandali na lang. That's it.
Yeah.
Tapos, ano na. Yeah. So, you
And
know,
also because that was a time in our lives where we were 27, we're like marrying age, and so
Aray
this is it.
aray, nabibiso yung age
No,
natin.
but saying this is it, parang ganyan na. Kasi you've been through different relationships and stuff like that. But going back to the 5 languages.
Oo nga. Ayun, ikaw kasi. Sabi ko na mo dahil yung 5 languages
Medyo,
Meron pa.
Ano?
Kung
Sige.
30 years na sila.
Oo.
So, syempre, kailangan alam nyo na ang yung paborito o yung mga
Yes.
sa isa't isa. Bulong mo sa akin, bubulong ko.
Ano na ba to? Physical touch na ba itong ano natin?
Okay.
Okay.
Kung talagang
Sige. Sige, sige,
kilalang
sige.
kilala mo na
Sige.
ang Mrs. Anong favorite color niya?
Oh, favorite color?
lavender.
Yes! Ang galing!
Ay, kasi lahat yata ng gamit ko, ganun. Kaya lahat ano.
Cellphone ba lavender din?
Ah, hindi naman.
Ganun o. Alam niyo na kung anong favorite color.
Yes. Pero,
Siguro naman after 30 years,
hindi,
no?
pero meron kang bagong nadidiscover. You know, and that's what makes it exciting for a marriage. Hindi boring, di ba? Kasi
That's
kung
true.
boring naman masyado.
Yeah.
So, that's why, yun na nga yung dun sa quality time, tapos dun sa acts of service. You know,
Ayun.
it's
acts of
really...
service.
Ayun, acts of service. I know that's her love language. And so I do things for her. Number 1, going shopping. I hate to go shopping. I mean, I'll go shopping for myself. But I go shopping with her. Why? Kasi kailangan niya ng porter.
Oh.
Kailangan niya
Matagal maganda
taga-bitbit.
mag-shopping pa isa yun.
Tapos ako, DA niya ako.
DA.
Ano DA?
Dakilang alala.
Hilang alalay. Okay, yun.
So I'll do things for her, yan. You know, wala, basta yun. I'll do small things for her, stuff like that. Kasi nga, ako, I cannot do things, I'm not a handyman. She likes it. I cannot be a handyman. So instead of being a handyman, I call somebody to fix the things in the house. So, but at least I do that for her.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
ako nag-aasikaso. Kaya may sirang ganito, may sirang ganyan. Sabi niya, oh Joey, sira ito. O sige, I'll take care of it. Hindi ako mismo ang gumagawa. I call somebody to do it. But at least, that's still an act of service.
Okay, any advice, Joey and Rosemary, para doon sa mga nanonood sa atin na mga mag-asawa or mag-aasawa pala?
Yes. Well, know the love language of your partner. Even if it's just a girlfriend. While you're courting, while you're getting to, that's one of the parts of getting to know one another. Ano bang gusto niya? What is her love language? And you more often than not, even if you don't take the test, just by being together, malalaman mo na eh. You'll know, you know. Oh, she
Right.
likes quality time. She likes words of whatever. And so if you know that, then you purpose to do it. Yun ang bigay mo.
That's
Kasi
right.
Totoo yun.
that's what connects with her. That's what's real to her.
In the beginning,
Okay.
love is a feeling, diba? But it eventually becomes a decision. So no matter what the challenges are, no matter what the situation is, then you have to make a choice and make a decision to love one
Commitment
another.
Also,
Right.
to love
It
one
is a
another.
commitment. It is a choice. It is a decision.
Yeah.
You know, so, and I don't plan to change Joey, nor does he plan to change me. Diba? Because you have to, ay, nakakatawa ka naman dyan.
No, we don't. You can't
Acceptance
change.
eh.
You can't change. You can't change somebody.
Like there was one time, sinisisi ko si Joey kasi, ay, tumataba ako kasi hindi siya gumigising ng maaga. Tuloy, hindi ako nakakalakad, hindi ako nakaka-exercise kasi hindi niya ako masamahan. But you know what I did? I did it on my own. I just went on my own because it's not, you know, it's not his responsibility.
That's
So
true.
I went, woke up early, and then I started walking, and then eventually, hindi ko siya ninanag, pero nakita niya ako, naglalakad on my own, and then, ngayon, kasama ko na siya.
Wow.
Diba? So, it really is it's a decision. It's a choice.
I mean,
Anyway.
just to recap, just to cap it off, I say, you know, we always say you can give without loving, because you can give with ulterior motives, you can give with an agenda, but you can never love without giving. If you love somebody, you're always gonna give.
Okay. Very well
Those are
said.
very nice.
Thank you so much,
Thank
Joey
you,
and
thank
Rosemary.
you.
Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
Gustong-gusto ko tong topic na to.
Ako din eh.
Diba?
Sobrang,
Tsaka marami akong
Parang
matututunan sa
mo-feel
kanila
mo.
para pag na-in love ako, gagamitin ko.
yun. Ako
Ayun,
rin,
magbabalik pa rin
partner.
po